Hello students, welcome back to my online class. Myself Prem Prakash Shukla, your mathematics teacher from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, yesterday we have solved some questions from exercise 1.2 and we solved up to question number 7. Today we will solve from question number 8. So first of all, question number 8. Solution. Question number 8. From 8 I will solve the question and I will explain also. So our question number 8 is, give the three consecutive odd numbers preceding 1 crore 24 lakh 50,806. What we have to do? We have to write three consecutive odd number preceding. Preceding means we have to write the predecessors. Three consecutive predecessors, and which must be odd numbers also. So they are. So our given number is, that is 1 crore 24 lakh 50,806. This is our given number. What we have to do? We have to write three consecutive odd numbers preceding this given number. Means we have to write predecessors. So they are. The numbers are. They are 1 crore 24 lakh 50,805. This is our first preceding odd number, and our next preceding odd number is 1 lakh 24,000 1 crore 24 lakh 50,803. This is our next consecutive odd number, preceding consecutive odd number, and our third one is 1 crore 24 lakh 50,801. This is our third consecutive odd number preceding these numbers. In this way you can write this in your answer. Okay, now question number 9. Solution. Question number 9. Name two consecutive prime numbers in the whole number system. Consecutive prime number. First of all, we have to know what is a prime number. A prime number means the number that has only two factors, one and itself, is known as prime number. So what we have to write? Name two consecutive prime numbers in the whole number system. In the whole number system, consecutive prime numbers. So they are 2 and 3. You see, 2 is also prime number and 3 is also prime number, and they both are consecutive also. So this is your answer. Now question number 10. Solution. Question number 10. How many whole numbers are there between 417 and 4321, in which 417 and 4321 are not included? So the solution is, the numbers are, or the answer is, 4320 minus 417. So the numbers falls between the two numbers A are 3903. So 3903 numbers falls between 417 and 4321. So your answer is 3903. Now question number 11. Solution. Question number 11. Consider the number 96,385 using the same digits. Can you write three numbers greater than it? Arrange them in ascending order. What we have to do using the same digits. The given number is 96385. Using the same digits, we have to write three greater number than it. Three greater number than it. इससे बड़े थ्री नंबर्स हमको लिखने होंगे जो इससे ग्रेटर हो, और उनको हमको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज भी करना है. तो सबसे पहले हम इनको पहले थ्री ग्रेटर नंबर लिखेंगे. सो दे आर थ्री ग्रेटर नंबर हमारे होंगे 98653, उसके बाद 98653, 98635, उसके बाद 563. ये हमारे तीन ग्रेटर नंबर देन दिस नंबर. इस नंबर से ये तीनों हमारे ग्रेटर नंबर हैं. अब इनको हमको क्या करना है? वी हैव टू राइट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, that is ascending order means writing the numbers from smaller to the greatest one. छोटे से सबसे छोटे नंबर से सबसे बड़े नंबर की तरफ जब हम लिखेंगे तो वो सारा हमारा असेंडिंग ऑर्डर होता है. तो इसमें सबसे छोटा नंबर हमारा ये होगा, उसके बाद ये होगा, उसके बाद ये होगा. सबसे पहले हम 98,563, उससे बड़ा 98,635, उससे बड़ा 98,653. तो इस तरीके से जो है हम in this way we can write it in ascending order. So first we have to write the greater number using the same digits. इन digits को यूज करके हमको यहाँ पे पहले ग्रेटर नंबर लिखना है, तीन ग्रेटर नंबर, उसके बाद हमको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हमको लिखना है. Now we come to question number 12. Now question number 12. Solution of question number 12. So in question number 12, the given question is write the whole numbers between 99 and 109 in descending order. We have to write all the whole numbers between 99 and 109 in descending order. So the answer will be they are. The answer will be, that is we have to write between 99 to 109. Whole numbers between these 99 to 109 in descending order. That is 108, 108, 107. Writing number from greatest to smallest order is known as descending order. So 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101 and 100. So this is our answer. What we have to do? We have to write the whole numbers between 99 and 109 in descending order. So they are 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101 and 100. Okay, now question number 13. Solution of question number 13. So solution of question number 13. Write the smallest 5-digit number ending in 5 and write the largest 6-digit number ending in 8. So they are The smallest 5-digit number ending in 5 is 10005. So this is the smallest 5-digit number ending in 5, and the greatest 6-digit number ending in 8, that is 999998. So this is our greatest 6-digit number ending in 8. So the answer is, the smallest 5-digit number ending in 5 is 10,005, and the greatest 6-digit number ending in 8 is 9,99,998. So this is your answer. Now question number 14. Question number 14. Solution of question number 14. Arrange the digits of the number 2,93,649 to get the smallest number possible. So the answer is the given number is, that is 2,93,649. The given number is this. What we have to do? We have to arrange the digits in that way in which we get the smallest number possible. So what we have to do? We have to write the digits in ascending order. When we write the digits in ascending order, the whole digits, we will get the smallest possible number. So that is 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. So this is our smallest possible number. So our answer is 2,34,699. Now next question, question number 15. Solution of question number 15. Question number 15. Write the smallest 5-digit number, only 2 digits being same. What we have to do? We have to write the smallest 5-digit number in which only 2 digits being same. We know the smallest number is 0. So that's why what we have to do? The answer is, so the answer is 10023. So this is our 5-digit number in which only 2 digits are being same. This is our 5-digit smallest number in which only 2 digits are being same. So our answer is 10,023. Now question number 16. Solution of question number 16. So solution of question number 16. Solution of question number 16. Solution of question number 16. Write the greatest 5-digit number, only 3 digits being the same. So the answer is 999. 3 digits being same and 2 digits being different. And what we have to write? We have to write the greatest number. So our answer is 99,987. In this way we can write the greatest 5-digit number in which only 3 digits are being same. 3 digits are same. Now question number 17. Now we come to question number 17. Now question number 17. How we can solve question number 17? Question number 17. Yes. So question number 17 is using only 3, 4, 5, 6. Using the digits 3, 4, 5 and 6, we have to write 7-digit number which remains the same if the order of the digit is reversed. If the order of the digit is reversed, the numbers will be remain same. So the answer is your answer is 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 5 4 3. So in this way this is our answer, that is 34,56,543. If we reverse the numbers, reverse the digit, we also get the same, just like this. Just see, if we reverse, that is 3 4 5 6 5 4 3, again 3 4 5 6 5 4 3. So in this way this is your answer. Now question number 18. Question number 18, write 40,06,302 in words and rearrange the digit to get the smallest number. So 40, that is 40,06,302. So first we have to write it in words. So the pattern of comma is in Indian system. So our answer will be 40,06,302. This is in words. In words we have to write 40,06,302. And next question is added in this is that rearrange the digit to get the smallest number. So the smallest number so the smallest number will be, that is 2000 4 and 6. So this is the smallest number. By arranging the digits we get. So first of all we have to write the in words, that is 40,06,302, and after arranging the digits we get the smallest number, that is 20,346. And question number 19, last question, explanation of question number 19. Our last question is question number 19, that is write 706,94328. What we have to write this is, first we have to write the numbers in words and we have to arrange the digits to get the largest number. So the pattern of comma is in Indian place value system. So what we have to do, we have to just write it in words. So 7,06,94,328. So सबसे पहले इसको इस तरीके से वर्ड्स में लिख लेंगे, और दूसरा इसमें दिया है rearrange the digit to get the largest number. अब इसको हमको अरेंज करना है जिससे हमको लार्जेस्ट नंबर मिले. तो उसके लिए लार्जेस्ट नंबर के लिए डिजिट्स को अरेंज करेंगे. तो इसको हमको क्या करना है, इसको हमको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है. तो इसमें देखिए सबसे हाईएस्ट डिजिट जो है वो है 9, फिर 8, फिर 7, फिर 6, फिर 4, फिर 3, फिर 2, फिर 0. तो सबसे पहले 9, आफ्टर दैट 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 0. इंडियन सिस्टम में कॉमा कर दीजिए. सो वी गेट द आंसर 9,87,64,320. तो इस तरीके से जो है हम इसमें अरेंज इसको लार्जेस्ट नंबर में हम कर सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई होप द ऑल questions are clear to you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you very much.